What's up, Cubers? So this is Code Cuber here, and today I have received an interesting package from Amazon. So today I'm gonna be unboxing a new cube. So this cube is a Qiyi Warrior W, I guess. So it's been modified to be a magnetic cube by Cube Lulu. So yeah, let's begin. So I've already opened the box. I mean, not this box, the package. So let's keep that aside. And whoa, pretty cool. It's got the Elite M. By the way, this is my previous cube. This is also a Warrior W, but this is non-magnetized. Used to be my previous main. And this is a box. Now this is the next box. Qiyi Speed Cube. People call it Qiyi, but I call it Qiyi. I don't know why. Let's see. Yeah. So let's begin. Very cool. The instructions. So here's a cube. Oh wow. Hey, where's the sticker? Oh, it must have peeled off. Oh yeah. Anyways, so here are the instructions that came with it. Oh man, I really wanted to make that J-Pum joke. Hope you can read Chinese, but there is no Chinese written here. Oh wait. Hope you can read Chinese. Hope you can read Chinese. Okay. That was a failed attempt to make that joke. Anyway, so here are all of these steps to solve the Rubik's Cube. Oh, I've been holding it the wrong time. Qiyi Mofang J Science and Technology Industrial Co. Limited. Wow, science and technology. So it's labeled all the pieces from the moves. I already know how to solve a cube. Why am I even reading this? Let's go on to the main thing. The cube. So wow, incredible corner cutting, but if it goes past like this, it can't. If it goes through this line, it can only do it like that. By the way, I don't think that this cube was intended to be magnetic, so it has been modified by Cube Lulu. As you can see, the Elite M sticker is here. Cube Lulu. So okay, I'm not gonna rickroll you guys. It's a pretty decent cube, and there's actually a lube service. I don't even know how to say it. In the comments down below, you can say how we say the spelling. I mean, I know the spelling, but the pronunciation. So yeah, I do feel the magnetic bump there. Oh, it's pretty decent cube. The magnets do a really good job. Let me try to show the magnets first. Oh, look at that juicy boy. I've never done this before. And that's enough to squeeze out one piece and an edge piece. So as you can see, guys, it has the same green core. It's the same cube but magnetized. So I've got in an edge piece and a corner piece. I have to see that instruction again. Yeah, edge piece and corner piece. So let's see the magnet in the edge piece first. This has so much lube on it. Oh yeah, here's. So there are two magnets. First one is here. Second is there. Pretty cool. But I have to put it back because it's really sticky. Now let's open up the corner piece. I hope there are magnets in the corner pieces too. Wow, it's really hard to open it. When I opened my cube Play-Doh drift, it was really open. It was really easy to open up these pieces, separate them, look at them. But I think they've even super glued these pieces. With great difficulty, I finally opened it, and there's 1, 2, 3 magnets in the corner pieces. So, pretty cool. Decent view. Let's put that corner piece back in. I don't want to destroy this again. So I'll retension it. By the way, this has really tight tensions, but when it's work, that's pretty decent tensions. Yeah. So now let us get out of all of that and let's actually see how this turns. Magnificent. Oh my god. Yep, this is definitely my new main. Okay, now let us make another solve, I guess. Let's inspect it. Okay. Why am I using beginner algorithms? So overall the turning quality is really good. I would recommend this cube for a beginner or some person who already has a cube and just wants a new magnetic one. I definitely would recommend this. And I completely forgot to do soon. My favorite part. Oh, so overall this is a pretty cool cube. Definitely would recommend it for beginners. And yeah. By the way, how could I end the video without making a checkerboard pattern? Let's get my other one. There's a huge sound difference because this one is non-magnetic. This one is magnetic. Wait. Yeah, now it's the same. So yeah, they just look like identical twins. And hey, how did you come in here, McLaren Senna? Yep. So overall, this cube is pretty cool. I would recommend it for. Okay, I said that like 100 times already, but I honestly think that this is my new main now. And also, you can also change the pieces with each other because they're the same brand, the same cube. Oh, now I forgot which cube part is of which. Oh my god, they're identical. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys. Wait a minute. I could not leave a video without making a checkerboard pattern and the Indian flag. Let me make it on both of these. So, how do you make it again? done. So now thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I will upload a video the same day, so 2 videos in one day. Anyways, so yeah, peace.